This video takes you through how to get...
Incredible. One of the worst performances of my career.
I love listening to podcasts. I don't have time to read with two little kids, so I listen to them when I'm driving. I don't want to miss out on that. So I've set my car up with Android Auto, and it enables you to connect your phone to your car and then use the apps Waze, Audible, Stitcher. In this video, I'm going to take you through how Android Auto works. You connect the phone with a cable, then you can use the Android Auto app on the touch screen of your car. I'm going to show you the one hidden feature. That's how to get Audible to work on the car. At the moment, Audible doesn't show up, and I'll go through that in this video. Audible isn't an app that you can select in your car, but what you can do is go into the developer settings in your phone and enable it so that you can see any app that supports Android Auto, whether or not Google like it. I'm going to go off up to the car now.
Okay, here we are in my Suzuki. We'll take a look now at Android Auto.
First thing, let's connect the phone and then launch Android Auto. Waze, my map start, and I click to the main menu and choose Audible. And here are the audio books I'm listening to at the moment. Easy to pick one. Press play. Go back to the main menu and I can choose Waze for my maps. Again, I can go back to the main menu and choose Stitcher for my podcasts and play those, and then back again to Waze. Really easy to use Android Auto. I can look at my contacts or my call history. Now news.
Here's the latest news.
And the BBC News headlines play. I can launch Spotify and play my music. When you click settings, these open on your phone. Open the Android Auto app. Click on the burger menu and then select settings. Here you can see many different settings you can put on Android Auto, and these will take place in the car when you set them on the phone. If you use Audible and Android Auto, you might notice sometimes the app doesn't show up in the car. There's a reason for that. You can see it's not showing on my screen now. That's because there's a setting you need to enable in the phone. It's in About Phone, Build, tap that 7 times, and then you're asked to enter your PIN number.
You didn't say the magic word.
You now have developer access to Android Auto. Open the app, go into the burger menu, settings. In the top right corner, click the 3 dots, choose developer settings, scroll right to the bottom and tick unknown sources. Now exit Android Auto, reconnect the phone to your car, and you will be able to see the Audible app appear on the screen.
Right, I'm out of here to get some lunch. I'll see you later.
In this video, you've learned how to connect Stitcher, Audible, Spotify into your car. The car industry still gives you a paper manual. No one's going to bother to read it. Android Auto is pretty easy to use. Have a look through it on your phone. Go through some of the settings. That means next time you go on a long drive, you can continue listening to your podcast, or you can listen to your audiobooks. Thanks. Bye.